For more on the hurricane that's fueling wildfires in Hawaii, here's Chris Warren from our partners at the Weather Channel.
A lot of the weather conditions in Hawaii have been improving. Winds not nearly as strong. Still have what at times moderate to breezy trade winds. But this area of high pressure shifting off a little bit farther to the west. So the winds not quite as strong. Still going in the same direction. It's still very dry, though. Anything but dry here in the mainland with more thunderstorms, possibly severe storms here going through time. Here's tomorrow into the afternoon and evening hours. Really expect some of these storms to start popping. Could see some damaging winds and some large hail out of this. This continues. The rain continues even out of the threat zone as far as severe weather goes. But the potential for flash flooding still there. That could still happen with some of this very heavy rain even into early Saturday morning. Here's that threat for some of the stronger storms on Saturday for parts of the Ohio Valley into the northeast for the first part of the weekend. And still, and once again, it does remain very hot in the southern portion of the U.S. And for more in-depth coverage, watch the Weather Channel on cable and now live on your favorite TV streaming device.
Chris Warren, thank you very much.